You may think this market is really boring right now. And I can see on crypto Twitter that it is really, people are bored. People are bearish, they're bored, whatever. These people don't get it, okay? Wake up. We have a lot going on right now. I'm gonna get right into this. We have Binance that could be eliminating stable coins next year in Europe. So that's really huge. Why, what's happening right there? Well, Binance is being attacked big time by the US and by Europe and by Australia and so on, because big banks are getting involved. They're creating their own centralized exchanges and they are going to be taking over the space. Unfortunately, you and I cannot stop that, all right? The masses are gonna be like, okay, well, JP Morgan or Fidelity, they're gonna offer their platform. I trust them more than I do Binance, which I hear all these scary stories from the SEC, right? So that's kind of how it's gonna go, in my opinion. Now, if you've been a subscriber to us, especially to our CT Club, the link is down below, you will know that I pulled out of Binance a while back when it was a bit higher than it is now, before it kind of really collapsed. The reason why I did that is because I could see heading out, not only was there a criminal investigation against CZ, but also all these other investigations that the SEC was coming out with. Whether or not they had any merit or not, it was just for a safety precaution, because I can see who the SEC works for, big banks. It does not work for you and I. You should know that by now. So quit trying to vote for your favorite stupid SEC guy, because they're just going to screw you no matter who gets in. Wall Street owns a game, so if you don't play it, you're going to be screwed, all right? Now, let's go over back to history here. I'm going to get you really bullish now. It should make you bullish here, because listen to this. 2014 bear market took 59 weeks from cycle high to cycle low. The 2018 bear market took 52 weeks from cycle high to cycle low. And the current 2022 bear market took 54 weeks from cycle high to the cycle low. What does that mean? It's very in line with history. It does repeat. Mark Twain once said, history doesn't always repeat, but it does rhyme. And this is what we are seeing here. And you know what? You can take it from me. I've been a bull since the end of 2012, before any of this, all right? I didn't have anybody holding my hand. I didn't have any YouTube. I didn't have any crypto Twitter or anything like that. I made up my mind. I'm like, you know what? I understand money. I understand history. I understand where this space is going, okay? And I can tell you one thing. I'm very bullish here, just as we were buying, if you were a CT Club member, back at under $20,000 when everybody, including Richard Hart and all those other guys, were saying $10,000 is on the table. Well, they were wrong. Next up, we have somebody who's really bullish as well, Coinbase. They hold $25 billion worth of Bitcoin. Why would they hold $25 billion worth of a worthless coin that's just going to drop to $2, right? Why would they do that? Because they're the custodians of BlackRock and all these other guys, so they know exactly where this space is going. And if you want to sell your coins right now, go for it. BlackRock will really appreciate you. And lastly, to end this, I will say the amount of Bitcoin addresses with 0.1 Bitcoin has reached another all-time high. Why is that? Because you have smart money buying and you have dumb money selling. That's all I have. Please like and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon.